Attaching a half-cut lemon to a plant stem may look unusual at first, but what if I told you this simple act could unlock a burst of growth and protection for your garden? Nature hides its secrets in the smallest things, and citrus is one of them. The moment lemon juice touches the stem, you're creating a natural powerhouse of nutrients and defenses. Let's see how it works. First, take one fresh lemon. Cut it neatly in half, making sure there's enough juice inside. Now, choose a healthy branch or stem of your plant. Vegetables, fruiting plants, or even flowers respond beautifully. Place the cut side of the lemon directly against the stem, so the juice makes contact. Secure it gently with soft garden tape, cloth, or rope. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. You don't want to harm the plant's growth. Leave the lemon attached for a day or two. During this time, the stem absorbs citric acid and natural antibacterial compounds, boosting immunity while deterring pests. As the lemon breaks down, it also releases a mild fertilizer effect, feeding the plant small amounts of potassium, calcium, and vitamin C. In just a few days, you'll notice stronger leaves, brighter color, and a natural shield forming against disease. It's a trick straight from nature's playbook. Simple, natural, and surprisingly powerful. Try it once and you'll see why gardeners everywhere are calling this the citrus boost.